Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we are going to be going over how to solve linear equations. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. So we've got some primary steps. We want to swap sides. Kind of even before this, we want to identify that it's a linear equation. And then we want to swap sides, combine like terms, isolate the constants, and isolate the coefficients away from the variable. So let's first look at some equations that are linear. All right, so I will write these in green. So here are some linear equations. 2x plus 1 equals 5, for example. And then there are others that you'll see. So for example, half x minus 2 equals 3/5 is still a linear equation. Even if we kind of change things up and we have 2x minus 7 equals 3x plus 2, this is still a linear equation. All right, now let's start looking at how to solve some of these. So let's look at the equation we're going to solve here. What we want to solve is 2x plus 1 equals 5. So let's take a look at our steps here. Okay, so let's solve the equation of 5 equals 2x plus 1. All right. Now, the first thing that we want to do is swap sides. We want to have x on the left. And so if we just do a full swap, we don't need to worry about any signs, anything. We just do 2x plus 1 equals 5. Okay, we can literally just swap the sides. We don't need to swap negatives or do anything else, really. All right. And now what we want to do, so we have swapped. Now what we want to do is combine like terms. That is already done. Okay, we don't have an extra x or anything going on, so now we're on to the constants. All right, so let's start isolating the constants. We want the 1 to be gone. We just want this to be 2x. So to get rid of the 1, we subtract 1 from both sides. And now that we've done that, we have 2x equals 4. Okay, because what we've done is we've said 1 minus 1, that's 0. 5 minus 1, that's 4. Now we have 2x equals 4. So we have done the constants. So that's good. Now what we want to do is isolate the coefficients away from x. And this is a coefficient, 2x. We want to get rid of that too. So we divide both sides by 2. And now what we end up with is x, because 2x divided by 2, now it's just x. X equals 4 divided by 2, x equals 2. And there is our solution right there, x equals 2. So this was one quick example. We're going to go over several others. We are done now with isolating the coefficients, and that is how to solve a basic linear equation. We're going to go over more examples next, so we'll see you in the next one. This was Keith from Kinvert. Bye-bye.